folks. I always try to give you a weekly what's new. What's new? The weather is nice. I'm moving that out of the way and that out of the way and that over there, and I'm gonna start welding. That's what's new. I'm gonna finish that and start sandblasting. So you can watch grainy sandblasting videos and me show you a part after I'm done. So it'll be like a whole lot of and then show you the finished product. I haven't got any powder coat yet because I'm still working on a house. It's close to being done wiring. I'm sick of doing freaking wiring. I could have did it all in one day, 1 week, but when you have to buy all the shit and you have the money, you have to spread it out. So with that said, we're almost done with the house. We got all the stuff. It's coming along. Commercial break. With that said, the house is coming good. My garage is still a freaking mess. If you've been to my channel, you know my garage is a mess. I don't care. I don't judge. We all have certain things. Either our brain's messy or our garage is messy. With that said, I have videos coming. I'm always doing something stupid. I do have a wooden bench I'm going to be creating. I'll probably just show you the bench because the only thing I'm creating in my garage will probably be the legs. I'm going to cut the wood piece. I'm basically making a router sled, flattening out one side, rolling it over, cutting it. I got 3 benches to make, so I have to make a jig to make the legs. The exact same size for each one. I have the steel pipe. I have all that stuff. Move the welder over there. I got to make a jig so I get the angle right and stuff. So with that said, I'm going to do that. I have the chop saw. I got a pile of shit in my way. And this will be maybe a cleaning video. I know they're boring, but at least the good thing about cleaning videos, you get to watch all my tools and all my shit. So I know a lot of people like nosing around, zoom in. Hey, what is that? I have one of those, over here, whatever. I do the same thing. I'm like, oh, what is that? Is that a Craftsman? Oh, he's got one of those. Hey, I like that. Yeah, so that's what's fun, having shit in the background and doing the videos. What else is new? I still got the sandblaster video, the bike videos. I have a tank. It's not as warm as I want it to be. I want it to be about maybe 15 degrees out before I dip the tank in vinegar, take a little bit of rust out. The tank is in my store. It's still too humid out. I want a nice hot day. I'm going to put it in there, get it dried out, put some acetone, get the vinegar out, and then I'll get the Caswell clear liner. I have 2 tanks. I'm doing this tank, which I found it's on the floor over somewhere, and the other tank. And the other tank first, I'm going to derust it and see if it actually leaks because I soldered the holes. I'm going to then line it. One, I'm not doing a very good paint job. The other one, I'm going to do a beautiful paint job and probably fuck it up. But anyway, I swore. I swore. You're right. My kids would probably slap me 10 times if I swore. But anyway, so I get a new tank on that other bike. And I got a few more wiring surprises that I'm going to show you. Not right now in this video, of course. But with that, I'm doing all kinds of stuff. I gotta still clean my garage out and stuff. I was supposed to move my garage, but that's total failure. I was going to build another one, but that's not going to happen either. So, where are we? We are where we are. So, thanks for watching. I have 1,700 and, 95 subscribers. I'd like to thank every one of you for subscribing. I'd like to thank the dude who left a comment that said, if I keep making videos, I'll keep watching. Thank you. I can't believe I have subscribers. Like, I might be a channel this big, but it's cool to have almost 1,800 subscribers. And I don't think I do anything spectacular. I just like having fun recording stuff. Did I ever think I'd become a YouTuber? No. Did I ever want to be one? No. But, I got sucked into it. It's definitely a hole you get sucked down to. So anyway, click some buttons, blow up the keyboard, smash your like button, punch the screen in the face, do whatever you gotta do. And and if you want to watch my videos, you can help. I need watch time, so if you want to watch a few videos, let them play in the background. Help me out. Thanks for watching.